Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. Welcome to Slow English Story. Are you ready to hear my story? Let's start. Mark, are you okay?
I don't feel good, Emma.
What is wrong?
My throat hurts.
Oh no. Do you have a fever?
Yes, I think so.
Let me check. You are very hot.
I think I caught a cold.
The rain was very cold today.
Yes, the sudden rain was very cold.
We need to get medicine for you. Put on this warm jacket.
Okay, thank you, Emma.
We need to find a pharmacy.
A pharmacy? Okay.
There is a CVS pharmacy near the hotel.
Good, it is close.
Can you walk?
Yes, I can walk.
Take this umbrella just in case.
Good idea.
Are you ready?
Yes, let's go. The street is very wet.
Yes, it rained a lot.
I feel cold.
Don't worry, we are close.
I see the pharmacy sign.
Yes, that is CVS Pharmacy.
I really need medicine.
I know. We will find something good.
I hope so.
Don't worry, Mark. It will be okay.
Good. Let's go inside.
Yes, let's go inside. Wow, this pharmacy is big.
Yes, very big.
Look, the medicine is over there.
I see many shelves.
Let's go look.
Okay, let's go.
Do you feel okay to walk?
Yes, I am okay.
Good. This way.
I see a sign. It says cold and flu.
Perfect. Let's go there.
Yes, let's go. There are so many medicines.
Yes, too many.
This one says daytime.
And this one says nighttime.
What is the difference?
I am not sure.
There is syrup too.
And pills also.
I don't know which one is good.
Me too. I am confused.
Too many choices.
Let's ask for help. Look, there is a pharmacist.
Good. Let's ask him.
He can help us choose.
Yes, that's a good idea.
Let's go to the counter.
Okay, let's go. Hello, how can I help you?
Hello, my friend is sick.
Oh, I am sorry to hear that. Hello. Yes, I don't feel good. What is wrong? I have a sore throat. A sore throat? Okay. And I have a fever too. A fever and a sore throat.
Yes, he caught a cold.
I understand. Let me help you. Thank you very much. When did this start? It started today. I see. After the rain? Yes, after the sudden rain. Does your throat hurt a lot? Yes, it hurts when I swallow. And your fever, is it high? I think so. I feel very hot. Do you have a cough too? A little cough, yes. Okay, thank you for telling me. You're welcome. This medicine is good for you. What is it called? It is called cold and flu relief. Okay. Does it help with fever? Yes, it helps with fever. Does it help my sore throat too? Yes, it helps your throat too.
That sounds perfect.
There is also syrup if you prefer.
I think I prefer the pills.
Okay, pills are good too.
Thank you for the recommendation.
Now, let me explain the dosage.
Okay, please tell me.
Take 1 pill in the morning
1 pill in the morning. Okay.
and 1 pill at night.
1 pill at night, too.
Always take it with water.
With water. I understand.
Don't take more than 2 pills a day.
2 pills a day. Got it.
That sounds easy to remember.
Yes, very simple.
Thank you for coming with me, Emma.
Of course, I'm happy to help.
I feel better already.
That's good to hear.
The pharmacist was very kind.
Yes, he was very helpful.
I will take the medicine tonight.
Good. Then you can rest.
Tomorrow I will feel better.
I'm sure you will.
Thank you, Emma. Sleep well.
You too, Mark. Get well soon. Thank you for watching this story with me today. Like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for more slow English stories and daily English practice.